this video, I'm going to show you how to sew around the corner of the pocket into the side of your scarf without ending up with the zipper tails visible on the front. It took me making a couple of these and having it happen multiple times to figure out exactly what I was doing wrong and how to prevent it. And actually, it's a really simple fix. It's easier to do it correctly if you start from the pocket instead of from the side of your scarf. And I would recommend doing that anyway, so you can leave an opening in your pocket for where to turn. So the part that you have to hand sew, or if you want to machine sew, but maybe sew it so the seam isn't as pretty, it's inside the pocket instead of on the outside of the scarf. So in my case, I already sewed down the side of this pocket, just so I'm right here ready to show you what to do when you get to the corner. So if you're looking at this, you want your zipper tails, the side of the zipper that has the tines on it, to be pointing up toward the back of your pocket. If when you get to that corner, the zipper tines are facing toward your scarf fabric, that's what's going to be visible on the front. So you want to turn it, make sure they're flat and tines are pointing toward the pocket. And then the other trick is to feel where your end of your zipper is. It's going to be probably a little bit more than a ½ inch. Mine is almost a full inch in from the side. So I'm going to kind of angle my pocket, or my seam allowance rather, to hit the edge of the scarf right where the end of that zipper stop is. So I'm going to, instead of going straight at ½ inch, I'm going to angle it a little bit so I'm coming straight at where the zipper stop is. Double checking again that my tines are facing toward the back of the pocket. And then when I get close to that zipper stop, I'm going to switch to hand turning it just to make sure I don't break a needle. And then once you're sure you're good, lift up the presser foot. And come back to your ½ inch seam allowance. Then when you look at it from the front, those zipper tails are nice and tucked away.